What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today is a day of change. Now, it's gonna take a little bit to change this truck to what I want to. If you guys know, or if you watch the videos, I did get the fuel off-road wheels. I went with Toyo, all-terrain tires, open countries. I love the setup. The problem was the leveling kit I put on there, which some people call a lift kit because it did the front and the rear, and the shocks I put on the truck really made the truck run like crap when I added the airlift airbags for towing. Now, I want to fix that. I'm tired of having a truck that runs like crap just on the street. So not only am I just getting rid of the spacers and level kit, I'm going full lift kit with brand new wheels and tires in hopes to resolve some of these issues. And on top of that, it'll be really interesting to see a 2018 Dodge with 37's. What do you guys think? Gas mileage will be crap, but might look good. Let's find out. So I ended up going with a brand new set of Method wheels, changing the color, changing the look. They're still 17s, and they should work with the proper offset of the lift kit that I got. And I'll go into all those details in a bit after we get the tires mounted. So let's get down to America Tire and get these bad boys mounted. And just like that, we have tires and wheels ready to go. Now we just gotta lift the truck. Thanks, man. Oh, brother. Wheels and tires secured in the back of the truck over here. And now the truck is here. I'm making Mike work weekends. He hates me. It is a nice rainy day though.
Yeah, no, we could be off-roading today.
We could, well, maybe when we're done, we'll go off-roading in your truck.
Well, no, we'll take yours.
No. Two-wheel drive bro truck, remember?
I know.
It can't off-road. I'll get stuck.
I have an orange truck to pull you out with.
Ooh, it could work. It could work. So if you guys didn't know, Red Barn Racing, Mike, AKA Mike, he doesn't just build race cars. He can also lift trucks. So if you ever need anything done to your truck, come see Mike. He's a good guy. He knows all this stuff. But we went with the CST lift kit. It's a 5.5-inch kit. It comes with the spindles, came with the coils, came with the rear spacers, came with the brake line adjustments, and the front and rear shocks. All the greatness. Mike's like, why don't you get some real shocks? I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try the full CST kit and see how it runs. And if it rides like crap, then I'm gonna send them a strongly worded letter and then go get different shocks. So yeah, that all being said, today is not an install guide, but more of a, let's get this truck lifted and get it done, see what it looks like. I'm really nervous if the 37s are actually gonna fit.
Little cut here, little cut there.
Stop it.
Little cut here. It'll be fine.
Stop it. We're not cutting my truck.
We have a kiddie pool, so
we may have to put in. We may have to get a new front bumper.
We can get kiddie flares for.
Stop it. Stop.
The kiddie pool.
Stop.
The kiddie pool flare?
Stop. He likes the wide body look on trucks. You're a bolt-on fender guy, aren't you?
No. No. I like slinging shit on my paint.
Yeah. it's true. He does. So yeah, let's get this install going and get it done. I may have gone cheap and I got the cast iron spindles. Now we have a full front component that weighs like 7,000 pounds. But look, new shiny coil.
The old ones I think are shinier.
No, those are terrible. It's definitely taller. This will be interesting. So at this point, everything's back together. The new spindle's in, the new shock is in, the new coil's in, and now we are adding the updated brake line to the setup, so the actual calipers can reach the rotors and mount properly, because the stock lines are too short. Hence, they give you the kit with the brake line extension, so that's where we're at. It's looking pretty good. It looks really clean. I mean, I'm looking at this like, yeah, it's a freaking coil and a shock and a spindle, but I don't think it looks bad.
I've had worse.
Yeah. And I will say this went together a lot easier than the spacer kit we had in there. As much as we still had to push down on that lower perch, like that spring went in so much easier. Like
Quite a bit easier.
it felt like half a day to do one side last time. So yeah, CST. Let's keep it going. Now that Mike's got the one side done, let's rinse and repeat on the other side. So both sides are done. We got a wheel and tire on the passenger side, and this is like the moment of truth to see how high or low it goes. It's teetering. It's because it's still on the stand on the other side, huh?
This side is still higher than the side of the stand.
What, this? It's higher.
Than the side of the stand.
It's not all the way down then. He's playing mind tricks.
You ready for this?
Yeah, no jack stands. Oh gosh. It's still up there, man. Look at the top of the hood's at my shoulder height. Like the hood part up there. Damn, I like it. She's sitting tall. Dude, I can like, my wife could stand underneath my truck now.
You might actually need your steps now.
I think I might need my steps.
Oh.
Oh.
Now it's
Moose
proper.
ears. Moose
Now
ears.
it's
We're good.
proper.
We're good. Okay, time. We're gonna grab lunch, come back, and do the rear. Okay, lunch was delicious, but we are back. We got the back end of the truck up in the air. We got the wheels off. Now, we're looking at the shocks. It definitely looks like I mean, I don't know. Can you get in there without pulling the fender liner, or is it just better to pull the fender liner?
It's better to pull the fender liner.
Okay, so we're gonna rip the fender liner out as nice as we can, then pull out those shocks and drop the truck down so we can get the spring in the back out. Put the spacer in, put the new shocks in. I think there's a couple other parts and pieces. Yeah, we'll talk about that then. And then as you guys remember, I do have the airlift kit in mind, so we had to get the spacer for that to lift it up and make it continue to work. So we also have to do that. So yeah, let's get to it. Got the shocks out. Now Mike is working to get the bag center section slid out so that way we can get the spacer on. Mm-hmm. Right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. So that's where we're at. Let's get it done. So at this point we have, are these springs or are they coils? Are they considered coils in the rear too?
It's a coil spring, but it is a spring still.
Okay. So either or, you're not wrong.
Yeah, it's a coil spring versus a leaf spring.
So we have the spacer installed, bolts into the top. Now we're working with the hard pan hard? Pan hard. Why do I always say hard pan? Why do I always say hard pan? So the pan hard, there's basically an extender that lowers it down to keep everything center and good. It's here, we gotta bolt it in place and we're good to go. It's not that difficult, huh?
Yeah, keep your pad from getting hard.
I think the hard part is we unbolted the air lift setup, but we realized we needed to unbolt it from the top, not the bottom. Dang it. Rain started to come down decently for California.
That's pretty good rain.
But shocks are in place, springs are there, we got the air ride getting back in place, and now we got the pan hard bar getting tightened up.
Yeah.
We're almost done buttoning this beast up. And when I say we, I mean Mike.
No, it's we. I have two people with me.
Rear's done, now we just gotta drop it. Oh God, is that dropped?
We should pull those jack stands.
Oh. I was like, oh man, that dropped like it was like not gonna flex. Oh man, that was scary. Let's try that again. A little better.
At least it bounced that time.
Hey, we got clearance at the top of the garage. We're good.
Like I said, worst case.
Dang, that tail end sticks up all nice and high. Shoulder height.
Oh God, almost died.
That's a good load height.
Yeah. Seems like a really good two-wheel drive load height.
Yeah, two-wheel drive life. Oh, I wish it was still daytime. I'm gonna have to finish this video tomorrow. Well, it's done. Tomorrow I'm gonna have to do the video where we actually see the truck, and I still have to get it aligned. That's the other thing. So, but yeah, we'll do a walk around. Yeah, let's just get to it. There you have it. That is the Toyo RT and the CST 5.5 inch lift on a Dodge Ram 1500 two-wheel drive, officially bro truck. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have questions about this lift, post them down below. I will be doing a full review on drivability, off-road ability, I guess, and a two-wheel drive. Let's get stuck. And yeah, that's all I got. If you guys are looking for someone here in Southern California to install a lift or do any work, hit up Red Barn Racing on Instagram. They can do all your needs and for a much cheaper price than any shop. So hit them up, check them out. And as always, thanks for checking out the content. And until next time, I'll see you on the road.